What's up, guys? Now today we're looking at kind of a similar turnaround we did in the previous lesson, but this time we're adding a bit of a jazzy touch to it, making some kind of melodies out of the diminished chords. All right, so if you're excited, let's get right into it. All right, so key of C sharp, all right. Yeah, so I mean, I use C sharp quite a lot. As C sharp, A flat, these are kind of the gospel standards. So if you're interested in gospel music, most likely you would be interested in C sharp or A flat, sometimes F sharp. Okay, I know most of you like F and C and all that, but yeah, it doesn't matter. You just take the same concepts that I teach and then take it into other keys. Okay, so last time we looked at this turnaround. Okay, and today we're going to form like a melody out of it. Okay, so it's going to sound like, okay, so I formed it out of that. Okay, so okay, so if I add our left hand, okay, so faster. Okay, so just take it slow. Okay, so this lick actually works in the 4/4 time signature. Okay, so it's the regular way we've been playing our grading like that. I'm gonna try and put this in. So sound something like this without a loop. So so you realize that the sound changes. It's sort of like this is not something you want to regularly play in the church. It's going to surprise everyone, okay? But this sort of changes the mood into sort of a jazz kind of feel. So if you're jamming with some friends, you can always throw this in, or depending on the situation, you can throw this in. All right, so let me get my 4/4 loop in, and then we'll try and see if we can play it through it. All right. All right, so this, as you can hear, this is really exciting to play. So if you don't know any lick at all, I mean, this can be your first lick, sort of jazzy kind of lick you learn, right? You want to look at the fingering as well. Okay, so yeah, I'm glad I brought this lesson to you. This is something that I, a melody that I came up with, and I thought it would be exciting to share with you all. All right, so thank you so much for joining me in today's lesson. I'll see you in the next one.